Many women hit the gym consistently, yet their body stops responding the same way.
Fling. This happens when your muscles adapt to repetitive routines and stop growing.
When exercises no longer challenge your body, progress naturally slows down. Doing more of the same won't always work. Changing your routine is key.
Your body needs fresh signals to keep building strength and burning fat. Muscles quickly memorize movements, making your usual exercises less effective. Even small tweaks, like changing reps or weight, can kickstart results again.
Switching to different exercises challenges new muscles and sparks growth.
Overtraining without rest can stall progress, leaving your body tired and stiff. Sleep and proper nutrition determine how effectively your body reacts to workouts.
Your body craves variety. Sticking to the same workout makes adaptation faster. Introducing new exercises forces your muscles to respond differently, creating growth. Even posture changes can activate different muscle groups for better results.
Strength plateaus are normal, but they signal it's time for smarter training.
Tracking your workouts helps identify which exercises are no longer effective.
Changing your grip, stance, or range of motion can reignite results instantly.
Listening to your body prevents injuries and keeps workouts productive over time.
Mixing strength with mobility exercises improves overall performance and recovery. Hydration fuels muscles and helps you push harder during every set. Your metabolism adapts when workouts stay the same, slowing fat loss over time.
Adding variety, like different cardio or resistance exercises, reignites metabolism. Even small changes in tempo or rest periods can challenge muscles differently. Consistency is important, but repeating the same routine can create a performance plateau.
Strength gains happen when you progressively increase intensity or complexity.
Overlooking warm-ups can reduce efficiency and increase risk of fatigue.
Body weight exercises can be as effective as weights if done with progression.
Tracking energy levels helps identify when your body truly needs rest.
Plateaus are temporary. Changing exercise type or intensity will restart progress. Focus and mindfulness during workouts improve form, efficiency, and results.
Changing workout order can shock your muscles and prevent adaptation. High-intensity intervals push your body differently than steady-state cardio.
Mixing strength and cardio in a single session maximizes calorie burn.
Even rest between sets matters. Short breaks challenge muscles more.
Progressive overload, increasing weight gradually, keeps your muscles growing.
Staying hydrated ensures your muscles recover and perform efficiently. Short mobility sessions improve flexibility and prevent stiffness. Even mental focus affects results. Stay present in every movement.
Adding variety every few weeks keeps your workouts effective and exciting.
Listening to subtle fatigue signals prevents overtraining and ensures steady progress.
Your muscles stop responding when you do the same exercises week after week. Adding new movements forces your body to adapt and regain progress. Tempo changes, like slowing down reps, create more tension in your muscles.
Strength plateaus are normal. They indicate it's time to challenge yourself differently.
Tracking reps, sets, and weight reveals which exercises need adjustments.
Rest days allow muscles to repair, making your next workouts more productive. Even small changes in grip, stance, or range of motion can spark results.
Listening to your body prevents injuries and ensures long-term progress.
Combining strength with mobility improves performance, recovery, and form. Hydration fuels muscles and helps maintain energy for every rep.
Repeating the same routine trains your body to conserve energy instead of burning more.
When effort feels easier than before, it's a sign your body has adapted. Progress returns when workouts demand focus, effort, and intention again.
Changing intensity challenges muscles in ways your body can't ignore. Different training styles stimulate strength, endurance, and fat loss differently.
Training without recovery sends stress signals instead of growth signals.
Muscles rebuild during rest, not during the workout itself.
Quality nutrition supports muscle repair and consistent energy levels. When fuel, rest, and training align, your body responds faster. Progress isn't about doing more. It's about doing what your body needs now. When workouts stop feeling challenging, motivation slowly begins to fade.
A clear plan brings structure, purpose, and renewed progress.
Training with intention improves results more than random effort.
Mind-muscle connection helps muscles work harder with fewer reps.
Your body responds best when exercises match your current strength level. Balanced training supports long-term strength, energy, and consistency.
Recovery allows your nervous system and muscles to reset.
Quality sleep influences strength, focus, and fat loss.
Progress looks different at every stage of your fitness journey.
Small improvements add up when training stays sustainable.
Listening to your body builds trust, not frustration.
Fitness is not about punishment. It's about self-care.
Your body responds when training feels supportive, not exhausting.
Long-term results come from smart decisions made consistently.
Strength builds quietly through patience and proper progression. When workouts evolve, your body follows.
Plateaus are signals to adjust, not reasons to quit.
Train smart, stay consistent, and your body will respond again.